Hey everyone, I am the Miniac, and it's not often that I get a second chance at something, so let me explain this. I screwed up big time with the video on the white silver Clubman, and I'm here to do this again and get it right so that you all get the most correct information as possible. Because here's the thing, yes, I'm a brand ambassador for Mini, but I'm also the Miniac and I do this YouTube channel for fun. I want the information to be as accurate as possible, but I don't always get it right. And in this instance, I really blew it this time. So I am out here again at the dealership to show you this car. Again, it is a 2019 Mini Cooper S Clubman all-4 in white silver, and I have the correct information on the car now, and I'm going to share it with you. So this is a 2019 Mini Cooper S Clubman all-4 with the John Cooper Works tuning kit. It also has LED rally lights on the front. Now, what exactly is special about this? Well, this is a port installed Central Region package. It's called the Central Region package. It's only available in the Central Region where there's Mini dealerships. It was made specifically for Mini's Central Region dealerships. So some of the dealerships have a couple of them, some of them have more, some of them have less, some of them might not even have any. I don't know how many of them are out there, but this is just really cool. Now, it has those rally lights like I mentioned. It has these nice wheels here, web spokes, black mirror covers, black roof. It's a really pretty car. It also has these fantastic chrome and carbon fiber tailpipes because it has the Pro exhaust on it. So it's just really neat. Inside you have the standard leatherette interior, sport bucket seats, which are very comfortable. I really like them. You have the Mini connected system. So you also have rear view camera. Rear view camera is standard in all Minis now, so that's nice. The dealership also tinted the windows, which is pretty cool. Under the bonnet, this is where it gets interesting. So under the bonnet you have, double pull that, you have what is usually the standard 189 horsepower 2-liter turbocharged engine. However, the tuning kit with the exhaust adds 21 extra horsepower. So this is a 210 horsepower car, and I have it on good authority that it has similar torque to a John Cooper Works. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I was told. So 210 horsepower, similar John Cooper Works torque. You have here what is a Cooper S John Cooper Works. Pretty cool setup here. The tuning kit was put on in Baltimore, so that's the port where these cars come in. So it's just really cool. I really like it, actually. I love the white silver too, but this is one of my favorite colors as well. But this just adds a whole new level of enjoyment to what is already a very nice Clubman. And I'm a big fan of the Clubmans. I think they're great cars. Now, if you notice here, the barn doors open at the back. So what you don't know is this little key fob right here. If you push the trunk button, it normally just opens this door. But if you push the trunk button again, it normally opens the other door, which apparently stuck. So let's try that again. There we go. Inside you can see the brand new all-weather floor mats are here ready for the new owner, whoever that may be. Lots of cargo space. This trunk is huge. So let's close this up. Now, here's another thing I've never shown you guys before. You notice these tail lights here. Those are the tail lights, but these are the brake lights actually. So these actually light up when you hit the brakes. These just stay on lit. However, I've driven several John Cooper Works Clubmans for the Mini Challenge events. When you hit the brakes hard enough, these lights light up as well. So they are emergency brake lights, but the rest of the time they don't do that. Now, why are the brake lights in the bumper? It's because the US has a law that you cannot have your brake lights indoors that are, well, open. As you can see, there's no light there. Now, if you've seen any of the previous generation Clubmans, you know that the tail lights actually are there attached to the body, and when you open the door, it comes around those taillights. That wasn't the case with this, so you end up with the brake lights being down there at the bumper, and you have taillights up in the door here, but not bad. What I want to find out, and I need to let this car warm up a little bit, is I want to show you guys the exhaust. It's a really cool exhaust system, but also some other features. You got power seats with memory as well. You have an automatic transmission. You have a leather-wrapped JCW steering wheel. You got paddle shifters here, so it has the sport automatic. I believe this is the 8-speed automatic as well. In the back, you have enough room for 3 people. Sit very comfortably. Dual zone climate control, and it looks like there's USB ports back there. Yep. Is that USB? Hold on. Those are micro USB ports. Huh. Micro USB ports. I wonder. I wonder if this has anything to do with Apple possibly replacing their Lightning wires with micro USB. Or compact USB. I don't know. That's kind of cool though. But anyway, on to the exhaust. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a lot more fun this time around. Until next time, remember, life is too short to drive a boring car, so drive a Mini. I'll catch you later.